Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to blur in Microsoft Teams. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to the Microsoft Teams, and after that just simply create a meeting or join one of your meeting, or just simply join a meeting, and after that just simply select join now over here. And now once you are here on this meeting, you can just simply go ahead and select the three dots over here, which is more actions. And now from here, a drop down will show up, and you can just simply select video effects and settings over here. And now you will have an option over here, standard blur. So guys, this will automatically blur your background without blurring yourself. And you can just simply select apply and turn on video over here. And since I don't have a webcam right now, it is not showing, but as you can see, you should be able to blur it out over here, and just simply select apply in order for you to save the changes. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and if you have any question, just simply comment down below. Thanks for watching.